Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll want to download a reliable collage app from the Google Play Store. Look for apps with high ratings and good reviews. Popular options include PicCollage, Canva, or PhotoGrid. Make sure the app has the features you want before installing. Step 2. Once installed, open the app and tap the Create New Project button. You'll see options for collage templates. Select a template that matches your vision, or choose a blank canvas if you want complete creative freedom. Step 3. Next, you'll import your photos by tapping the Add Images button. Select multiple photos from your gallery that you want to include. You can adjust which photos go where by dragging and dropping them into different sections. Step 4. Now customize your collage by adding filters, borders, and backgrounds. Experiment with different color schemes and effects to make it look polished. Add text if you want captions or titles. Step 5. Finally, preview your collage to make sure everything looks right, then tap Save or Share. You can save it to your device gallery or share directly to social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook.